Hello friends, welcome to Automotive Info. My name is Basil. Today we are going to explore the secrets of Mini Cooper Electric. Mini Cooper is a very familiar to everyone with its classic looks and elegance. Also popular in Mr. Bean movies. It is so easy to drive in the cities. It occupies less space and high power vehicle. It gives a go-kart feel. Especially ladies will prefer the most Mini Cooper cars. The car was first launched by British Motor Corporation in the year 1959. In 1996, BMW purchased Mini and make so many inventions have done. Electric Mini start the production on 2019. Let's look around the vehicle. Standard LED projector headlights. Mini logo is in black color. For identifying the electric vehicle, Mini is given yellow colors and badges. S is on yellow color. Mirror caps are yellow color. On the charging flap, there is an electric logo is there. Inside the charging flap, there is one indicator to identify the situation. We can see AC and DC charging port. On the side of the charging flap, we can see the stickers. Let's close it. In rear, Cooper is written on the black color, S is on yellow. There is one yellow badges on the rear view camera is there. There is 4 colors available for this electric vehicle: Moonwalk Grey, White Silver, British Racing Green, Midnight Black. Inside the trunk, there is a small storage space under the boot. Boot capacity is 211 liters. We can see warning triangle on the boot. "17-inch Mini Electric Corona wheel is standard. Tires are run flat, so there is no spare wheel. We can see the protection cover of high voltage component and motor. There is one electric logo is on top. Warning stickers. Noise insulation on the hood. In rear we can see fog light. There is a special tail lights. On the 16th anniversary of the Mini was on 2021. At that time they introduced British flag design on tail lights. Tail light with the national flag at first time in the world of automobiles. The roof is on black color. We can see GPS antenna is on the rear. Yellow badges. Panoramic sunroof. Seats are purely mechanically adjustable and it is a combination of leather and fabric. In glove box. Front ashtray. There is 2 USB port on the front. One is C port charger and one is data carrier. In rear there is 3 cup holders. Both sides have speakers and also 2 coat hangers on the top. Roof switches. While switch on ignition, The display will be like this. The needle will be in off condition. And switch on. Very nice sound. When the needle is on ready, the vehicle is ready to move. There are a lot of information in the display. On the left side, e-power, that means how much power is using the motor. On the right side, battery percentage. On the top, e-drive, we can see time and outside temperature, range. On the bottom, current kilometer, and the speed is on the center, gear position. On display is 8.8 inch, navigation is there. Different pages. On vehicle status, you can see the tire pressures on individual wheels, and also if there is any check control messages we can see over there. Service, mainly two services are there, brake fluid and vehicle check. Service history also we can see on the top. In driving information we can see the consumption of the battery. AC control switches, toggle switches, start stop button, gear lever, yellow badges, iDrive, electronic parking brake switch, mood light, we can change the colors. 3 different modes are there: sport, mid, green plus. In green plus, AC will be cut off for maximum mileage. By default it will be on mid. To protect the battery, height of the vehicle is increased up to 15 mm. While driving, there is no jerking or vibration. Inside the vehicle, it is very silent. The Mini can travel up to 232 km on a single charge. Top speed is 150 km. 0 to 100 km it will take 7.3 seconds. The battery of the Mini Electric has total capacity of 32.6 kW. Usable capacity is 28.9 kW. 352 volt lithium ion battery is using in the vehicle, placed under the vehicle. A permanent magnet synchronous AC motor to produce 181 bhp and 270 Nm torque. Main advantage of electric vehicle is to get maximum torque from standstill. Transmission is single speed automatic. It is a front wheel drive vehicle as usual Mini. The price will be approximately 50 lakh rupees. Price may vary in different states. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.